All right, for today's review, we are going to review the new Papadias from Papa John's. So before we start the review, Carrie from Instagram wrote me a message and she said her husband's birthday is today. His name is Sean. So happy birthday, Sean. So everybody in the comments say happy birthday, Sean. Hope you have a great day today. All right, Papa John's, they released 4 Papadias. I guess it's like quesadillas in a way, but like a pizza form, you know. So they have Italian, they have Philly cheesesteak, they have a grilled barbecue chicken and meatball. I decided today to do the Philly cheesesteak. I'll do more later, but this is my first review, guys. So this is what it looks like. I called to order. It takes about 15 minutes to make. Before 15 minutes, it was already ready for me. This is what it looks like. So it comes in a green box, and they serve it with this garlic sauce right here. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's take one bite. It's really hot. They didn't give me any napkins, unfortunately, but I think I have some extra Starbucks napkins right here. I'm gonna take one of these out and show you like a little bit of a close-up. It is so hot. Oh my god. So basically what they do, it's like a pizza, right? And they just fold it up. So it's really like a pizza. So you have like the cheese, the steak. There's Philly cheesesteak sauce, I think, and the green peppers. So what I'm going to do is try a few bites without the sauce, the garlic sauce, and just try it with it. First, let's try it out. Excited, guys. Cheers. The end is really crunchy right here. It's really hot too. I do think it needs more sauce, even though on the website it says Philly cheesesteak sauce. I don't really taste a lot of sauce. That's pretty good though. If you like Philly cheesesteak, I think you would like this. Besides it being hot, it's pretty good. I'm not really big on Philly cheesesteak. I mean, I like it, but I'm not like, oh my god, it's my favorite thing. But it seemed like the most popular thing to get, so maybe next. I think I might try barbecue chicken next time, but all right, let's see. There's some garlic sauce. Let's try to dip it. Whoa, it's freaking spilling everywhere. Let's try that, guys. That is good. Wow. I don't really usually like this garlic sauce on pizza, but it's good, but good like this. I definitely think it tastes better with the sauce. It's just me, but I feel like this garlic sauce is really salty. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. But yeah, I think ranch would be good too. Yeah, this end part with the crust is really very crusty. It's really good. Also very cheesy. So tomorrow I'm probably gonna get the new iPhone 11. So I'm hoping my videos will be a lot better, you know, better quality. So I'm gonna go to Coast tomorrow anyways to get new shoes, and the AT&T store's right there. So most likely, hopefully, if they have it, I will get a new iPhone, guys. So for my review, this tastes like a thin dough. It's very, it doesn't taste too thick. The steak definitely tastes fresh. Good quality steak here. Nice, good peppers and onions. Tastes very fresh. I definitely think if you like Philly cheesesteak, I'm not, like I said, I'm not really big on Philly cheesesteak, but I do think it's really good. for $6. I think it's a really good deal because I still have another one of these left. Still really hot. So I think it's a really big, I think it's a really good deal, guys. So I think I'm going to give that one 4 to 5. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I think I might like ranch better just because for me, the garlic sauce, I think for me is really salty. But I know a lot of people like the garlic sauce from Papa John's, so I think it might be better with ranch. But I do want to try other ones, maybe the barbecue chicken next. So guys, just an update on my gift card giveaway. The person who won, Cosmic Tranquility, has not responded or left me a message on Instagram. And I haven't heard from her. So I'm going to give her a good week. If she doesn't respond, I'm going to redo the giveaway. Just so you guys know, if you haven't won, you were kind of depressed or felt down, you have a second chance because you might be able to win if she doesn't respond. So I'm just letting you guys know. I'll probably go live maybe next week. Today's Sunday, so I'll probably do it maybe next week. And I think I'm going to pick the winner. And after I pick the winner, I think I'm going to try another one, Papa John's. I think I'm going to try the barbecue chicken. That's my plan. Just to let you guys know and an update. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and let me know what I should review next. I'm always open to new reviews from you guys. I'm not sure about the KFC chicken donut. I don't know. This seems so... I might have heart problems after eating. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And Sean, happy birthday. Peace.